Morning, we're digging into the controversy surrounding a Florida license plate law that has a lot of you talking, even prompting the Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles to send out a memo this week to law enforcement agencies stating what needs to be visible on a license plate. I spoke to a lawyer involved in a license plate case mentioned in the memo to get some clarity. Attorney Russell Cormican Jr. went to trial with a client who was pulled over in Broward County for this dealership tag frame, leading to a drug charge as a result of the stop.
The license plate frame in that case partially covered some of the wording on the tag, but the court found that that was not a sufficient basis to stop the vehicle. The problem that we have now is that there are varying interpretations of how much of the plate can be covered and in what manner it can be covered.
According to the memo from the State Department, the law does not prohibit the use of plate frames as long as it doesn't obscure the plate number and decal. Basically, the new law put in place to help prevent drivers from evading toll fees on roadways and to easily identify drivers by the plate information. But over the past week, there's been conflicting information from several agencies posted to social media. I even asked a local Florida Highway Patrol trooper in person to clear things up days before the memo was sent out.
You see, this is from a dealership. It's used as advertisement for the vehicle. But by statute, it's actually illegal. Portions of myflorida.com are covered here at the top, as well as the Sunshine State at the bottom.
So which is it? Russell says it's up for interpretation, which is the problem.
They open it up to what we call in the law arbitrary and capricious enforcement of the law. So you run into a situation where they start picking and choosing, and a lot of times it would be based on some pretext.
I asked Russell, what do I tell drivers? He says the best thing to do right now to just take the frame off or risk getting pulled over. He tells me his case took a couple years to fight, and it's not guaranteed the judge in your area will make the same judgment. Brody.